Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted 50 meal prep containers. I like to think of these as a necessity for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for all of the big events that are coming up where your entire extended family, where you're gonna have so many people, everybody wants to take something home, because let's face it, everything tastes better the next day. These are a great size. I like that these are a little bit smaller than the typical size that I buy. These are 24 ounces. The bottom is black and the lid is clear, which sounds like kind of silly that I'm saying that, but here's why this is amazing. First of all, when you open your drawer, you can see what are the lids, what are the bases, and of course the lid is clear so you can see what is in here. These seal beautifully. They do not leak, and what's great is if you use these for meal prep for, say, lunches in your home, these stack beautifully in your refrigerator. So let's pack up a little meal and see how these work. These are so amazing. So again, they are 24 ounces. You get a 50 pack, and they really are a great size. They fit into a lunchbox easily. They're great to pack a single meal in for every night if you like to freeze your meals. And they are stackable, so they easily fit into your refrigerator. These are microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe. They are leak proof, stackable, and reusable. But then also, you don't care if you give these away to friends when they come over and they want to take leftovers home, because they are a bargain. These are amazing for busy school weeks when you just want to have a bunch of lunches packed. You can pack them all up on Sunday, either pop them in the fridge or the freezer, and then your kids can just put them into their lunch boxes the next day, and then off they go. Definitely put these in your cart. You're going to need these for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for school lunches. Loving these. Highly recommend, and links are below.